Hello students, class 4. Now I feel I have to buy a car because after lockdown there are rickshaw fare has been increased and daily we have to give 40 and 50 rupees for rickshaw. Suppose if we have a car, what do we feel? We will be happy and we can go anywhere and anytime, and we compare our car with other cars. When we traveling by any vehicle, we compare with other vehicles. Mostly we compare the speed. Our speed is fast and theirs is not fast. So we are comparing this. How is that possible? How can we compare that? And how can we measure that? So there is a small instrument we can use for measuring vehicle speed. And like that, there are so many instruments are available through the science and technology and that we are using as our needs. So we will see there some instruments, some useful instruments which are given by science and technology. Useful instruments, science and technology we are looking here. Scientific instruments are used to carry out scientific work. We use some of them in our daily life. Recognize the scientific instruments in the pictures given below and write their names in the blanks provided. You may use the help box. Now we will see one by one. See, this one is used for magnifying very small objects. And you like this? Okay. This is microscope. We use this for magnifying very small objects. Then see number 2. Used for finding the position and movement of ships and planes. That is radar. Very important instrument. Radar is very important instrument to save our country at the time of battle. Then next thing is used for observing distant objects, and this is telescope. You like this also very much, right? Telescope we use for observing distant objects. Then next one is used for measuring the purity of milk. That is lactometer. Lactometer used for measuring the purity of milk. Then next ones we will see here, used for measuring temperature. Used for measuring temperature, this is thermometer. Always we have been seen this when we are going to hospital, doctor, everybody is using that. Then next one is used for measuring atmospheric pressure. Now this is barometer. Barometer used for measuring atmospheric pressure. Then next one is used for doctors for listening to the sounds of the heart and lungs. Now this is well known. Everybody like this from their childhood. All children like this and they play with this doctor game. That is stethoscope. Stethoscope used by doctors for listening to the sounds and the heart and the lungs. Next one is used for knowing directions. Used for knowing directions, that is compass. Mostly this is used in ships. And next one is 9, used for measuring speed. That is speedometer. Speedometer used for measuring speed. So these are 9 instruments we have been seen here, and all are important. All are important instruments, and we must have them. So remember them and read again and again. This one is microscope, then this is radar, this is telescope, then this is lactometer, then thermometer, then barometer, stethoscope, this is compass, and this is speedometer. Remember all this, and bye. See you. Have a nice day.